Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Your Next Level. Today we will learn how to deploy the Flutter web on the Firebase account. So let's get started. So first of all, I will write the command Firebase logout. It's not mandatory command, just to check am I already logged in or not. That's why I will write this. So it will show like you are already logged out from this account. Okay, then I will do the Firebase login. Once we will try to log in, it will show us the account, which account you have to choose for the login. After that, it will ask for the credentials. You have to enter the credentials of your account. Once you are done with the credentials, after that it will ask about the are you giving the access. You will allow, and Firebase CLI successful login message you will see. After that, you have to make the build of your project, Flutter build. So for this, you will write the Flutter build web release command to get the web build. It will take some time for the build, so you have to wait for it. Once it will done, then we can check the next step for the Flutter web. Then we will check how we can deploy the Flutter web. Okay, now it's done. Now we will write the command Firebase init. From here we will start the deploy. So here, without taking the action, you can say without taking the permission from the GitHub, you have to choose this option. Once you are done, it will ask where is the build. Actually you are giving here your build location, build/web folder. Here is it. So you have to enter no, because it will replace your file, so you don't need to replace any of your file. So for this, you will just write no for all these questions. At the end, the last step is Firebase deploy. So you will just write the Firebase deploy, so it will give you the proper message like your Flutter web is successfully deployed and deployment is complete. So that is all. This is how we can deploy our Flutter web on Firebase. Thank you. If you like the video, please like, comment and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. Keep pushing and stay tuned with us.